Hello, little learners. Welcome to Homeschool Channel. Learn with Omer. Let's learn and have fun.
I love learning about space. I love.learning.about.space. Space has so many stars. Oh! Space has so many stars. This is the sun. This, the sun. The sun is a star. The sun is a star. Stars twinkle at night. Stars twinkle at night. This is a group of stars. This, a group of stars. There are 8 planets. There are 8 planets. This is a rocket. This is a rock-E-T. The rocket flies to space. The rocket flies to space. This shape is called a constellation. This shape is called a constellation.
Followed by a stank-sing-ta, followed by a slower, more emphatic repetition of the phrase, ending with a contented sigh.
Whoosh! The rocket goes up. Whoosh! The rocket goes up. Astronauts travel to space. Astronauts.travel.to.space. This is planet Earth. This planet Earth. This planet is Mars. This planet is Mars. Mars is called the red planet. Mars called the red planet. This planet is Jupiter. This planet is Jupiter. Jupiter, oh, Pa, is the biggest planet. Saturn has beautiful rings. Saturn has beautiful rings. I am counting the planets. I am counting the planets.
Astronauts live on the space station.
Astronauts live on the space station. The astronaut wears a helmet. The astronaut wears a helmet. I am floating like an astronaut. I am floating like an astronaut. This is a shooting star. This is a shooting star. I make a wish on a star. I make a wish on a star. This is a comet. This is a comet. The comet has a long tail. The comet has a long tail. Asteroids are big space rocks. Asteroids are big space rocks. This is the galaxy. This is the galaxy. A galaxy has many stars. A galaxy has man-wise stars. Earth is in the Milky Way. Earth is in the Milky Way. I look at the stars tonight. I look at the stars tonight. I look through my telescope. I look through my telescope. I see a planet far away. I see a planet far away. I am drawing the solar system. I am drawing the solar system. I draw the sun first. I draw the sun first. I look through my telescope. I look through my telescope. I see a planet far away. I see a planet far away. This is Earth on my drawing. This is Earth on my drawing. This is Saturn with its rings. This is Saturn with its rings.
I have a rocket ship toy.
I
have a rocket.ship.toy.
3, 2, 1. Blast off. 3, 2, 1. Blast off! I finished my solar system drawing. I finished .my.solar.system.drawing. The rocket blasts into space. The rocket blasts into space. I finished my solar system drawing. I finished .my.solar.system.drawing.
Aliens might live on other planets.
Aliens might live on other planets. Hello from outer space. Hello from out-er.space. Space is very big. Space is very wide big. Astronauts wear special suits to breathe. Astronauts wear special suits. That's right. Hello from outer space. Hello from out-er.space. Earth is a special planet. Earth is a special planet. Earth looks blue from space. Earth looks blue from space. Love looking at the stars. I love looking at the stars. I have stars on my ceiling. I have stars on my ceiling. Earth looks blue from space. Earth looks blue from space. I love looking at the stars. I love looking at the stars. Earth is a special planet. Earth is a special planet. I have stars on my ceiling. I have stars on my ceiling. My stars glow at night. My stars glow at night. I am a brave astronaut. I am a brave astronaut. I am ready for bed now. I am a brave astronaut. I am a brave astronaut. Night, moon, and stars. Good night, good moon, and stars. I am a brave astronaut. I am a brave astronaut. I dream about space tonight. It is amazing to learn about. Space is amazing to learn about.
Thanks for learning with Omer. Please like and subscribe. Click the button below.